Hey guys, it's Fuzzy. Now, I haven't done a review in a while, and I haven't done a toy review ever. So, this is the 11th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver toy. That's how it looks. Obviously. The toy. Do this. Now there's this button here, if you can see it. Press that button, and make sparks noise. Press it again. Press it. Then you press. There's another button there. You can see. You press that. That's not supposed to happen. It extends. So there's this red button underneath that you press. That does that. It's obviously modified it a bit to my standards. I've modified it by taking it apart. There's now magnets on them that holds it down, and now you twist it. You get the sound, and you either flick it open or you pull it open. The red button still controls that. So yeah, bye. Please subscribe. Oh, and good price. It's a good price, but I do think they could have done better on it. In my opinion, they could have done better.